Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Package day, package day. Okay, this is a company that contacted me. I've never heard of them. DIY buying. Yep, DIY buying. So I got a couple things. All right, thank you, DIY buying. Let's show you what I got. Oh, we got one of those. Oh boy. Okay, let's get started with this. Let's start this party. Are we ready? Let's start with the box. Why not? Slide those over there. We'll start with the box. What's in the box? I don't know. Plain white wrapper. What do we have? Something fun, I'm sure. We got something fun. All right, what do we have? Let's see. There's a drill tray and some drills. And oh, I know what this is. It's a light. Yep, this is a light. Okay, so look, this comes pre-stickied on the back. See the sticky? Okay, you can attach this to wherever you want to attach it. I got a little dirt on it. That's gluey stuff. Ah, yuck. We'll have to clean that off. All right, batteries go in here. Here's our light. It just dangles. See? Dangle, dangle. All right, it's double-sided. It's all put together. Lights inside it. A tree and a little snowman. Same image on both sides. You diamond paint both sides. Cool. I like it. They had quite a few different lights that have the battery up here and they can just hang. I like that. There's our toolkit, basic toolkit. And I'm not going to open up these drills because they're pretty basic. Look, we have some gold stars, some clear, some yellow, some red, green. That's our colors. Pretty basic, just Christmassy colors with the addition of some little gold stars. You get a gold star today. Yeah, gold star. All right, so that's pretty cute. I could get batteries and put it in there and light it all up for you, but, I think you get the gist. You'll get the gist, right? Okay. All right, what else did we get? Ooh, let's make some noise. I feel like I'm at a football game. Let's make some noise. They say that, chants. Anyhow, what do we get? The stiffer oil canvas, poured glue, roll it backwards, see what we get. Can you tell? Can you tell what it is? I'm sure you can. Here's our toolkit. Here's our drills. Yep, it's a quilling. 12 shapes. Look at these big ones. 2 of them. Look at number 9's large. Number 6 is large. Those are going to be pretty. Swirls. Always swirls. I need to try actual paper quilling. That would be fun. Tedious, maybe, but fun. And it has a butterfly. Nice. I like it. It's on a gray background, but that gray background is not, okay, let me show you. It's not just solid gray. It's like a paint splattered kind of gray. See what I mean? It's got like little dark splotches in it. All right, with the butterfly. The butterfly gets special drills too. As a matter of fact, he's almost all special drills and a few rhinestones. All right, let's see what we get for all these big shapes. Love that. Yes, there's probably a few quilling in here. If they stop making new ones, but they're not. Okay, so we have some greens. Oh, look at that green. That is a fantastic green. Look at it. Look at that one. Nice. What else do we have? Some more green, some clear, and some gold. And then look at those. Ooh. Whole bunch of those nice big gold marquees. Love it. Here we have our clear crystally on the bottom and gold on the top. Interesting. Oh, then we throw in some blue pearls. Oh, some green. Those are pretty. Some more gold, some pearls, and some gold balls. That's nice. Mainly green. A little bit of blue in there. Gold. Nice. I like it. It's pretty. What do you think? I like it. I like it like that. Oh, this one has been opened and taped shut. Let's see. Let's get into it. Come on. Okay. What do we have here? Nothing. It's stuck in the bag. Stuck in the bag. Oh, okay. Can you tell? I know. I promise there's more than quilling here. I promise. I wouldn't have bought 5 quilling Or not bought, but you know what I mean. Okay. Toolkit, same toolkit. Here's our drills. Let's see. 8. This one only has 8 shapes. Okay, cool. 8. Oh, I like the background here. It's like a, you know, blurred out kind of words there. Group of flowers. Some swirls. Nice. I like this background. I like this strip that's here. It's very pretty. It's printed. You don't drill anything in here. It's just printed with some floral and pink. And this looks teal, so I hope we get some teal colors in there. I like it. Love it. Okay, let's look at our drills. Oh, we got some pretty pinks. Yay, pretty pinks. All right, come on, bag. Open, open. All right. What fine beauties are in store? Start with the rhinestones. Well, there's only 2. We have a clear, which is almost white looking. It's not really like the clear one. It's like a pearly white clear. You know what I mean? See how they, yeah, those are a little different. Okay. And we have this beautiful teal. Love it. And then to go with our teals, look, we have some pink, some orange, some blue, some more pink, some orangey pink. Oh, these are gorgeous. Those are gorgeous. They could have given us a ton of those. Those are beautiful. Love those. Look at the blues and the greens and love, love, love those. Okay. That's going to be probably this F, all of these petals around the flowers. Love that. Oh, man. Like I said, they could have given us a ton of those. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, next one. Next. What do we have? Sometimes I can pull them, and sometimes it's just not happening. And this is a thick one. We got a thick one. Doesn't want to even cut. Okay. Think I got it. Should have pre-opened these maybe. What do you think? Oh. What do we got? Let's see. We got that thicker canvas again. Okay. All right. Special drills. Not quilling. Look at the colors. Red and green. That's because it's Christmassy. It's Christmassy. 14 different colors. I love this. Look, it makes a plaid over here. I love it. What is this? A tree? And a Santa? And a cardinal. It's just a little 30 by 30, but it's super cute. Look at that. That's cute. All special drills with the black background. Look at all these big dots all over. Love that. That's cute. Got a picture in the corner. 14 different shapes. Love it. Love it, love it. It's going to have a lot of rhinestones. Do we get anything special? It'd be cool to have something special in his beard. His beard and mustache are 2 colors. 1 and 2. Do we get anything special? I hope so. Let's see. Oh, we do. Let's start right out with white ABs. Yay. That's number 1. That goes in his beard. Yay. Clear. Now see, those are clear. Those are totally different from those other ones. Look, totally different. See what I mean? Look. Clear, very bright clear, kind of white. Very different. Okay. Green, red, green. Oh, look. Then let's throw in some white pearls. Nice, nice, nice. So his beard is white and silver. I don't know what these are for. The tree. I think this is the tree. The snow on the tree. Some green, some black, some gold. Okay, and then let's finish out with some black, flat top, some pearls, and a couple of different reds. A faceted and a smooth. Love them. Love that. That is such a cute picture. That will be fun to do. I love. We got ABs. Yay, yay, yay. Okay, what else do we have? Can I open it? Give it a tug. There we go. These things are so sticky. Nothing's coming out of them once they're sealed, I'm telling you. They're sticky. And then your stuff sticks to it. A full drill? Say what? I told you, I'm trying, you guys. I'm trying to get a variety of things. And Christmas is coming. So I have been looking for Christmas things. I love Christmas. Christmas, winter, etc. Full drill. Okay. What do we have? 23 colors. Picture printed. Look, we have a belt. Is it Santa? Is it Santa? A scarf? Is it Santa? No. No, it's not Santa. It is just a big, bold, beautiful snowman with a background that is not one color. Yeah, it's not all one color blue. Love him. He's a snowman dressed up as Santa in a Santa suit. I love him. He's cute. Love the scarf, the stripes. Isn't he cute? He's got a birdie. I love it. Cute. That will turn out really nice. Nice big image, bold, beautiful. It'll turn out really good. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's do the colors real quick. I got standard like 15 to 20 minutes here. That's my goal. I mean, I'm certain you can already tell we're going to have blue, red, green, and white, right? Blue, red, green, and white. What else do we have? What surprises may pop out? White, blue, gray. Okay, let's just turn them over. You don't need to see the numbers. You're here for the colors. You're here for the colors. Background. That's got to be background, right? Look at that. That scarf is going to be popping with that green in it. Ah, and look at the reds. And even a pink. Love it. It's going to turn out really good. Don't you think it's going to turn out really, really good? I think so. He's cute. He's cute. Love him. Love him. Love him. Okay, one more. There's a drill over there on my counter. I just saw. I don't think it's from these either. I think it's from a previous thing I was doing. All right, last one. It feels like there's a lot of drills in here. Is it a full drill? No. Oh gosh, I have this, I think. I'm pretty certain I have this. This will probably go into my giveaway. This is the Happy Fall Y'all in special drills. And this canvas is very soft and pliable. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I have this one. This will go into my giveaway. Yep, this will go into November giveaway. I have him twice. Anyhow, he's super cute. That must be why I got him twice. I liked him so much, I got him twice. So lucky you. Lucky you guys. You're going to get a Happy Fall Y'all gnome. Somebody is. In my November giveaway. Yay! Now, this is cool. This has different, like, you'll notice we have 1s and then we have 12. So it's like a bubble painting in a way, but not. You know what I mean? The hats. I love their hats. The animal print hats. That got me. It just got me. All right. So what do we have? Where's our end? I feel like I have a circle here. So this is the background, the clear rhinestone. That's the background, but there's going to be some larger ones that get mixed in with those. We got a bunch of black. Of course we have black. Look at all the black on their hats. Like a peach, a rusty color, green, orange. This is like a goldish green or a greenish gold. You tell me. Greenish gold, goldish green. I don't know. A pink. We have stars with this one. We have gold shards. Yay, love the shards. We have gold marquee. Here's your bigger clear that are going to get dotted around the background. And then we have some blacks of different sizes. So see, it's kind of bubbly because we have 3 sizes of black, 2 sizes of clear. So part of it's bubblish and then just, it's fun. Fun. So keep your eye out. Somebody can win this one in the month of November. Okay? All right. That's what I have. Thanks for watching, everybody. This was fun. Good stuff. Love it. Love it. Okay. If you're new here and you enjoyed it, maybe consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button. It's right down there. Okay? And for people who are returning, thank you for returning and watching my video. Thank you for all that you do in supporting my channel. Thank you. All right, everybody take care. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Time to clean up. I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.